one of our best sellers in London. Overlooking Clapham Common and just 300 metres from Clapham South London Underground station, this carefully restored Victorian building offers rooms with attached bathroom. Clapham South Belvedere Hotel, formerly the Euro Lodge Clapham, has a convenient location, within easy reach of the bars and restaurants on Clapham High Street. There is a 24-hour reception, a breakfast room and a lounge area. Clapham South is on the northern line of the London Underground network and services run regularly to London Waterloo and to Leicester Square. Located close to the junction of the A24 and the A205, the hotel also has good access to the area's main roads. Lambeth is a great choice for travellers interested in tourist attractions, city walks and history. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.